Hello everybody, it's Tim. How we doing? Um, Still working on getting rid of my used paint. Well, not my used paint. I guess you gotta go old paint. Well, that's a defaulted glove there. Yeah. Oh, can I use it? Yeah, we'll use it. Don't want to waste it. Okay, I'm going to do an open cut. I have never actually done one of these. I've done the dirty pours and stuff, but this is an open cut where it'll kind of float around and we'll see what it does. And I've got my slate. I'll show you it's all prepared. Oh, nice. I hope I put that back in the same spot so where it was that I have. And so I'm just gonna, I've never done this, so this is gonna be fun, guys. We'll see what happens. Some yellow. I hope I have enough. Well, I got other colors I can use too. Yellow. I want to put, if I put blue on top of it, it'll turn red. That's my gold. I really like that gold. And let's put some green on it. This is a metallic green too. I don't know, man. This should be moving, but it's not. We'll see what happens. It might be too thick. I don't know. Put some more black in it. It'll do something eventually, I swear. At least that's what I'm told. Over here, we got some white I can put in there. There it goes. This could even be leftover house paint. I don't know. Then I have this chocolatey color. This is from when I did a one. You guys probably watched the video, and it just messed up, so I had to wipe it off. Well, this is where I put all that paint that I wiped off. So it's a good mixture of a little bit of everything. Guess we probably better watch this so we don't want. Ooh, there we go. Look at that. We got some cells coming up over here already. Look at that. Yeehaw. I guess that's the surprise with this kind of a paint. You don't know what it's going to do. So it's going to be fun. And then I'm also going to try something I haven't heard of anybody doing, but they might have. I don't know. I just haven't heard it. This is activator. This is Amsterdam and flotrol. And the formula is below what I use for that. Okay. Wow. That's why this type of work is so fun. Because we have no idea what's going to happen. I'm just going to make this my last gold. I'll get rid of that. If I have to add some other colors, I got plenty of time to work with this. These are fun. Well, I hope everybody's having a good holiday. I'm like nowhere ready for it yet. Ooh, look at those coming out of there. That's pretty nice. Here, spin it a little bit. Yeah. So my black doesn't wipe it all out. We'll see. We can get rid of some of these. Wow, look at that white coming through there. This is pretty cool. So all I'm doing is just barely moving it. When I turn it, Look at them colors. I've never tried one of these. This is going to be pretty rad. Let's put a little bit more of this in there. Wow. I hope this holds up nice. Don't want to drip that anywhere. Wow. Them colors are something else. I'm gonna let it sit there. Oh wait, I just put the black activator in there, so there's already every color there. Let's just get rid of this blue. Put that all in there. Okay. Have you ever had a painting turn to mud on you yet? Let me know in the comments. I mean, where you do something and it looks, oh wow, that's really cool, pretty. And then you look at it the next day and it just looks like mud. Can I say? Yeah, things like that. I mean, I can show you some really rotten ones I've done. So maybe one day we'll have bring your rotten painting to work. Wow. This is looking pretty cool. Yeah. Boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. I don't know, it's a hard decision. What do we do next? You know? I'm out of blue. There's the yellow here. We'll just do it. That's the way right there. Some of this. This is that muddy one I had one time. So here, look at that blue coming out of there right there. I hope you can see that really good. I gotta keep this going. I don't know what's gonna happen. Does anybody know? Nobody knows. Here's some more black activator. Wow. Wonder if I have enough paint yet to cover this thing. What do you think? I'm going to do that. Oh, we probably need to wreck it just a little bit. Because this part right here that's so normal looking. You have to help it out. Oh no. I really want to spread this out and see what it looks like. See if I have enough on here, huh? Because we don't have a base on it. So, let's see, I'll do my best to keep this in your sight. Maybe we don't want to go everywhere yet. Ooh, I like those white ones. I don't want to lose those white ones. There we go. There we go. Oh, I wish it would move. Right here. Wow, this could be pretty interesting. I don't want to lose all of it. There we go. Can you see it? Can you feel it? I don't know if there's going to be enough paint. Sorry, I've got this turned to your back. Wow. Okay, let's see if we can get something to go down over there. I'm definitely going to lose that white. You know what I'm going to do? This is my black base. So I'm just going to pour some of that right there, just to help this along. That's all it's for. Oh, this is hard on my back, folks. All right, let's see here. I really hope this is all in your picture, because I tried to make it so it'd be more of a close-up shot of what's going on. Oh, that needs my finger really bad, or I'm going to lose all of that white. That's nice. Wow, that turned out pretty cool. See how it dries. Huh? That is pretty nice. All the corners should be good. Love the edges. There we go. Just grab some of the paint right where it came off and put it right back on. There you go. Okay, this is going to be interesting, folks. Gotta tell you, I gotta heat it up for one thing. And I'm going to grab my camera. Okay. You get a close up here, so I gotta find my fuel. It's over there. Remember, I told you I rearranged my little tiny corner studio. And I still don't know where everything is. Look at this. This is pretty rad. I hope it holds its color. This surprised me. I'm glad. Forgot my microphone. Here we go, though. Take a look at this. Why? Oh, that was my finger. Oh. All right, here we go. Beautiful. I just hope it comes out nicely when it dries. That's the big thing. Nice though, huh? Alright guys, thank you very, very much for watching. And as always, please like and subscribe. I got some more coming up. I'll have another episode of what to do with my leftover paints again. Alright, thank you. God bless.